Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download CoinMarketCap application on your Android or iOS. CoinMarketCap lets you track cryptocurrency prices, market caps, and portfolio performance in real time. To download the app on your device, launch or open your Google Play Store or your App Store. In the search bar, type in CoinMarketCap and search. Look for the CoinMarketCap crypto tracker application from coinmarketcap.com and tap on the install button or the get button. Wait for the application to download and install on your device. After a few minutes, your application should be installed. Now, once done, tap on the open button to launch or open the CoinMarketCap application on your device. So there you have it. That is how you easily download and install CoinMarketCap on your Android or your iOS device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.